Are you coming up?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
No,
just doing a project.
You're fine.
Yeah.
What's your project?
It's like a personal thing. I kind of go around and I just film elevators.
Oh,
I document the different elevators in cities,
oh, that's interesting. Have a good night.
You too. Wow, these are really skinny. These are smaller than I thought they'd be. They used to be locked off, but I guess not anymore.
First floor. Going down.
Jesus, these things are like, jeez, this place is cramped. Look at us. Look at that. I don't even have to. Jeez, my hands are dirty. I gotta wash my hands. Whew, ignore that. Let's see here. Wow. I guess that one doubled as a service elevator, perhaps.
Going down.
Yeah, this doorway is skinny. Look at this. I swear, look, it's a lot more skinny than it looks on camera. Yeah, those are definitely new motors. I guess these used to be Westinghouse, it looks like. Let's go down to, one. Yeah, one's at the bottom. Interesting how they have... What? What the fuck? The lobby was... Wait. Yeah, one's locked. Oh, maybe it's for the rear door. That's probably it. I was about to be like, what? How is the 21st floor unlocked, but the fucking ground floor needs a key card? That would have been a... I was going to say, that's a bizarre security system. Yeah, this used to be the Crown Plaza, I believe. Now it's the Sonesta.
Going up.
Yeah. And that's